Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to create a new profile on your Netflix account. To do this, you just need to go and open the Netflix app. And when you open the Netflix app, you will find already yourself in this screen. And on this screen, as you can see, you can add the profiles that you want to add, and you have this plus sign. You just need to click on it. And as you can see here, you will have this add profile page. You give this profile name. For example, I will call it Ahmed2, and you will choose if it's kids profile or not, because if it's kids profile, it will only suggest movies and TV shows related to kids. If you want to change your emoji, or let's say avatar, sorry, not emoji, you just need to click on that pen, and as you can see here, they will give you a lot of choice to choose another avatar, as there is a lot of movie characters to choose between them for your avatar, animals, or some other characters. I will choose this one, and after that just click on save. And as you can see, we created a new profile on our Netflix account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.